guys, the Best Pro, welcome back to another YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make some patterns on the 3x3. First pattern is going to be the checkerboard. So I'll have the moves on the screen. So you do M2, Z, M2, Y prime, M2. That does a checkerboard. Doesn't matter where you hold it, then you just do it again to solve it, put it back to normal spot. M2, Z, M2, Y prime, M2. Okay, next pattern, we're going to swap the centers. So M prime, Y prime, M prime, Y, M, Y prime, M. That swaps the centers. Then you want to get it so the centers that's facing you goes to the top, and that top goes to the left. Then you do the algorithm again. So M prime, Y prime, M prime, Y, M, Y prime, M. And that solves it. Second pattern is going to be, it's going to be like taking each edge out and swapping the corner, the edges. So each edge would be flipped. So the yellow would be on the orange side and the orange would be on the yellow side. Same with here. Green would be on the yellow, yellow would be on the green. So how you do that is you do M prime U 4 times. So that's once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then you do Y X prime and you do it again. M prime U 4 times. 1, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then Y X and you do it again. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And you see, we got it. So you see here, green's on yellow and yellow's on green. And it doesn't matter where you hold it, you just gotta do the algorithm again. So you do M prime U 4 times, so once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then you do Y X, and then you do it 4 times again, twice, 3 times, 4 times, Y X, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it solves it. Next algorithm is, we're gonna do it where the corners are twisted. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first step, it doesn't matter how you hold it. And so you're going to do L2, R, U, R prime, U prime 2 times. There's twice. Then you're going to do D, so it turns the bottom. Then you're going to do R, U, R prime, U prime 4 times. So that's once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. D prime, and then L2. And that swaps the corners. And if you just, so if you didn't turn the cube yet, and if you want to solve it again, you do Y prime, X, Y prime, X, Z prime, and that brings it here, then you do the algorithm again. So if you accidentally turned it and you don't know how to get back to here, you're just gonna look for the side with the twisted corner, that the corner is at the bottom right and the piece at the bottom has to go up here. So then you do L2, R, U, R prime, U prime 2 times, that's once, that's twice, D, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime 4 times, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then you do D prime, it goes back there. There's this other algorithm which looks really cool. So you just do that algorithm again. So the corners are twisted. And once you get here, you swap the centers, but you have to swap them in a specific way. Okay, so how you swap it is, okay, so you want to get a corner where if you do M prime, the center lines up in a diagonal like that. So then you're going to do the algorithm M prime, Y prime, M prime, Y, M, Y prime, M. So you see like that, it makes this cool looking algorithm, a cool looking pattern. It goes like that, where the corners twisted and the centers are switched, which line up. Then to do it again, you just get it where, just like here, nope, like this. So the center goes up there, and then the blue goes down there. So then you do m prime, y prime, m prime, y, m, y prime, m. Then you get here. Then you gotta find the corner where, if you hold it from one angle, the bottom lines up with this edge. So then you do the algorithm again. L2, RU, R prime twice, D, RU, R prime 4 times, and D prime, L2, you're back to the start. So that'll be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!